Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me again, Charm, and tonight I'm going to give you a feedback again with regards to Anie's Detox Tea. And tonight, what I'm going to drink is this one. Comes from my second box of Anie's Detox Tea. So, yesterday, nag-take ako ng isa nito. So, this is actually my 30th sachet. My 38th sachet, guys. And, I need to remove my face mask. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I'm just going to give you a quick update for my 30th sachet. Ang 30th sachet ko na po to, and tonight, I'm going to drink this one that has dragon fruit, and then this flower, I don't know kung anong tawag dito. If you know kung anong tawag dito, please don't forget to comment down below to help me to know what flower is this, okay? And it has also bark. Ayan, no? Bark from trees. I don't know kung anong tree siya. Please comment down below para malaman natin kung ano to. Okay, guys? Just keep on watching. By the way, I just came from work, so I guess pwede natin tanggalin yung ating face mask. Ayun, guys. So, keep on watching. Okay guys, samahan niyo ako on my 30th sachet journey with this Anie's Detox Tea. And tonight, what I'm going to take is this dragon fruit with flowers and then may bark siya ng trees. If you know kung anong tawag dito sa flower na to and then sa bark na to, please help me. Don't forget to comment down below kung ano to. Okay guys? Alright, just keep on watching. Alright, so ayun na nga guys. So titimplahin natin to. I'm gonna be using this. This is actually a coffee maker or tea maker. Portable siya. It's a French press coffee maker. So gagawin ko ito. Gagawin ko siyang, lagay ko yung tea leaf or the Anie's Detox Tea para walang sagabal, diba? Maano siya actually. Ito siya. Masasala siya. Ayun, I have here also my hot water. Ito yung hot water ko. Wait lang. Standby muna. And then I'm gonna be opening this. Ganito po yung pag-prepare ng tea. Ayan siya. So, ito yung ating dragon fruit. Oh my God. Ito siya guys. So, the dragon fruit. Ayan. Lagay ko na. And then the flower. Ano kayang tawag dito sa flower na to guys? Ayan o. Ito siya. Tapos may mga herbs. And then yung bark. Bango niya guys. Amoy tamarind. Ito yung bark. May bark. Yan. Nakalagay na siya dito guys. Ayan. As you can see. Yan siya. Sa ating French press coffee maker or the tea maker. And then I'm gonna put the hot water na. Yan, hot water. I-steep ko siya for like 15 minutes. Yan, steep ko lang siya dyan, guys. Okay. Alright, see you again later. Okay, guys, so nandyan na lahat ng ating leaves and herbs. So, I'm going to leave here for like 15 minutes. And let's see what will happen later. Okay? Alright, so as you can see, ayan, nabababa na siya. So, it's steeping. Okay. So, ayun nga guys. After a couple of minutes, this is how it looks like. Yung ating coffee press. Pwede natin siyang i-press ng ganyan para ma-avoid natin yung mga leaves. Diba? Hindi na tayo pwede hindi tayo gumamit ng straw. Kasi diba yung straw is to filter the herbs and the flowers na makain natin. So, ayan. So, maganda tong coffee press na to eh. Kasi yan, napiprevent mo yung mga flowers dito. Which is nakakailang, diba? Pag we're drinking teas. Ayun. By the way, guys, I bought this coffee press sa Handyman. It's like 400 pesos. Pero may much cheaper sa what shop is that? Yung mga Japanese store, mayroong mas mura doon. It's like 150, 199, like that. Kaya lang, ano out of stock na. So, sobrang dami nagtitake na itong ting to, kaya siguro nauubos yung kanilang teapot na may strainer. Kasi talagang hinahanap ko yung may strainer. Like this one. Ayan. Diba? Ayan lang siya, guys. So, kapag na-steep mo na siya for about 15 to 20 minutes, pwede siya ilipat dito sa bottle na to. Ito yung original bottle ng Anie's Detox Tea. So, nilagyan ko na ng lemon. I have green lemons here just to enhance the flavor. Pero okay na rin tong dragon fruit with herbs. So, ayan, sasalin ko na. Diba? Wala siyang flowers. Yeah, with lemon. Sasalin ko na siya. So, I'm going to put the Splenda sugar. This is my first time to add or to try that natural sweetener, the Splenda sugar. Okay, so, put natin siya sa box. Ito yung Splenda sugar niya, guys. So, man ko siya. Sugar, so, lagay natin. Then, shake it. This is no calorie sweetener. No calorie daw. Ito na siya, guys. Medyo warm pa siya, so lagyan natin ng water. Kasi masyado siyang concentrated. I'm gonna put like half of 500 ml water here. Ayan. Hindi siya nagkulay dragon fruit kasi may dami kong lemon na nilagay, guys. Ito, I'm gonna drink na. Sarap. Okay pala yung Splenda sugar. This is really my first time to try the Splenda sugar over my Anie's Detox Tea, guys. Okay siya. Much better, especially pag hindi mo kayang i-tolerate yung no sugar. Yan. Hindi kang mag-Splenda sugar kasi no calories naman yun, and it has stevia, which is the natural sweetener. Kaya healthy din po siya sa body natin. Yummy. By the way, guys, Anie's Detox Tea has its own Facebook page titled Anie's Garden, and meron din siyang Anie's Garden Beauty Tips. Yan, ayan po itsura niya, guys. You can just simply search it on your browser, Anie's Detox, and you will see a lot of comments, suggestions, and then the recommendation kung talagang effective ba talaga, yung mga side effects. Ayun, ang karamihan ng tanong dun is how to prepare this tea, kasi marami talagang umorder ng detox tea na to kasi nga sa maraming claims, and nga, super effective talaga, especially kung yung concern mo is mag-detox or magpapayat or magpakinis. Diba, the first part of this vlog, pinakita ko kung paano siya piniprepare. Magpapakulo lang ng water, and then magpakulo mo, you just open the tea, and then ibababad mo siya doon 15 to 20 minutes or more kung gusto mo talagang babad na babad siya. And pagkababad mo, pwede kang mag-straw, pwede mo din siyang inumin, or kung ayaw mo ng mga flowers na mainom mo, you could strain it. Pwede mo siyang salain, or what like I did, nilagay ko siya dito sa coffee press. Yung iba may nabibili sila na yung nga yung teapot na mayroon siyang strainer. Yung iba talagang mano-manong ini-strain siya. Ganun ang pag-prepare nito, guys. Ayun, guys, so I would like to thank you for supporting my vlog, for watching it, especially on my first vlog that I made last month. It has 2,500 views na right now. Thank you so much, guys, and please continue to watch my video, and if you find it helpful and beneficial to you and nag-enjoy ka watching my vlog, if you have questions or comments, kung gusto nyo magtanong regarding Anie's Detox Tea, you could comment down below. Yeah, or you could message me anytime. Thank you so much. And keep safe always, guys. Bye! By the way, guys, I would like to thank you so much for continued watching my vlog, especially the topic, yung Anie's Detox Tea. Talagang sobrang daming views. Yung first upload ko noon, yung unboxing ko pa lang. After a month, it hits 2,400 views. Sobrang thankful talaga ako dahil doon. Sobrang na-inspire ako to make more videos. Kasi parang nawalan ako ng gana dahil nga konting views. Pero simula nung nag-upload ako ng Anie's Detox Tea, talagang guys, ginanahan ako mag-upload. Thank you so much for your support. And if you find my video helpful, beneficial to you, and na-inspire kayo, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. At kung hindi naman, that's okay. You can skip to the next vlog. Thank you so much once again for watching this vlog. And see you again next time. Bye!